right, my friends, we have a personal box break for Me, Myself, and I 23. So let's see what we can hit out of this. Appreciate you. We've got a black refractor auto to 10. Osalvo Beto for the Athletics. 10 of 10. And Juan Soto refractor. Gavin Williams. James Outman. Fernando Tatis. Noel V. Lane Thomas. Wilyer Abreu for the Red Sox. It's a nice one. So 2 color autos. I won't expect this third one to be color, but could still be another great name. Let's see what we got. Ooh, Yamamoto. Yamamoto, nice color there for Yamamoto. Paul Goldschmidt. Wow, it is another great name. That's pretty awesome. CES, Christian Encarnacion Strand is your third auto. So that was pretty good. Pretty good for autos. Alexander Canario. 2 packs left. Robbie Ray. And last pack. Jason Dominguez, Zach Geloff, and Alex Kirilloff. All right, my friend. You got Robbie Ray to 99. Christian Encarnacion Strand, base auto. You got a Yamamoto to 199. Wilyer Abreu to 150 on the blue Ray Wave. You got a Noel V Prism. Tatis refractor. James Outman. Juan Soto. And your first hit was 10 of 10. A Beto rookie auto for the A's. 10 of 10. Okay. All right, that's it for now, but I'll have more breaks tonight. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.